Okay, this is my Google Sheets with the form, and I can fill this form in a usual way. Go to menu form, go to leave form, add some answers here, and click submit. Okay, now I have this new response, but I've also added a functionality here that my trigger on form submit creates form response ID here. In column A, this response ID is needed for more actions here. Let's see. I will go to menu. I'll go to some entry like this entry, and I want to edit this entry. I go to my form and show with this demo, and this is window, and I'll move it right for my convenience, and I see this response here. Yes, 5, and I may it was yes 5 and Glide and Twitter here. Yes, and I want to add trailer and click submit, and I can do all this stuff with just this HTML form, not going to another window. When I select some other cell, click no, submit, and my answer is submitted here. I want to go to this form too. Let's see. I want to change my text answer here, some other text. Okay, click submit, and I also can submit another response just from here, not going to new window. And I submitted another response here, and I've got a form ID also, so I can immediately change this response with 3 and add some options here. And as you see, this my project creates a new HTML form, and Google Form is embedded into it. And now you can protect your spreadsheet and protect your data, and to let user just edit it with Google Form and make no mistakes. And it's also possible to connect multiple forms. Just use this form response ID. I think it's very useful tool for cases when you want to edit your sheet not directly from the sheet, but to let users edit it only with the form, prefilled form.